Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a dip powder nail design using Rosalind dip powders. So let's get right into the video. On my nails, I have a layer of Mother One's gel glue. It also acts as a builder gel. Now I apply a layer of peel-off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step and I wait for it to dry. So I did a review of these dip powders a while ago and I loved some of the colors, so I had to do another design with them. I'll link to that video in the cards. I'll be using a few of the dip powders today. On my pinky nail, I'm using the grey dip powder, so I apply a thin layer of base and dipped into the dip powder. I did about 5 layers of that because I did not encapsulate with clear. As I said in the review, these dip powders are beautiful, but you need about 3 layers to reach the full opacity. Now on the ring finger, I'm using the pink dip powder and I did about 5 layers of that, but I only showed 3 layers. On the index finger, I used this beautiful peach dip powder. And on the thumb, I used this nude dip powder. Now on my middle finger, I'm using all the colors I used on each nail plus one more. So I apply a thin layer of base and angled my finger into the black dip powder, left it in there for about 5 seconds, dusted off the excess, and then dipped into the peach dip powder, then the nude, then the grey, and then the pink. I showed 1 layer of that, but I did 3 layers. Then I encapsulated the color block nail. I did 3 layers of that. Now I apply activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying some Model 1's gel top coat and I cure for 30 seconds. Then I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and here is the finished dip powder manicure. So don't forget to check out Rosalind dip powders. They have some beautiful colors, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.